baby, you know. Apple. Buddy. Apple. Hey, what's up? Yeah, man, I don't say it. Yeah, man, I don't say it at all, man. I don't say it at all. But I tell you, say it will come true. It will come true, man. Yeah. So I don't want you to worry if you're heading it. Yeah, remember the little thing that I talk about? Yeah. It will come true. So I just say, give me a little time. Just sit with me for just a little time. It will happen. Just, yeah, B. I could just ease in Apple. I don't want you to worry up your head and thing, man. It will happen for you. Just be patient. I don't understand. Why? Why me can't get it? Before. So me have to get. You mean 20,000 enough? You mean 20,000 enough? Then just wait till me get the rest of money. Me can get it. It's easy to happen, man. Me can get the rest of money, man. I just want to deal with that. No, I just want to come true. Alright? Alright? Yeah. Alright. Dude. Just give me a little more time. Alright. I couldn't help noticing you, but I was over there on the phone and I saw you. I saw all of the shuffling in the car. I was wondering if you're okay.
I'm fabulous. Who are you?
Oh, I'm touched.
Oh, hi.
And
How you doing?
I'm fine. But hey, wow. She has a pretty smile.
Thank you.
Wow, oh my god. Yo. I like your braids though.
Thank you. What's up with you?
I was just on the phone. I'm in a little problem. I was wondering if you could help me.
What sort of problem is that though? What's up with the accent anyway?
I'm an uptown kid, what can I say? But I'm in a little debt. I was just wondering if you could like help me.
And what is that? I mean, I don't know. How do I know you're not doing some kind of tricks or something?
No, I was just wondering because I was on the phone and the credit ran out. I was just in a little situation. I wonder if I could come over here and ask for a little help from her. To be honest, I lost my job. My grandmother's in the hospital. Right now, I just don't know what to do. The coronavirus is like taking a big toll on me right now. Like I just don't know what to do. I feel like I would just give up right now. I'm telling you the truth. I just need some help. I need some help for real. I can't do it. I don't think I can do it no more.
Alright, so what's the case? Is it that you're financially unstable? What is it?
Everything is on me right now. Pressure, pure pressure. I can't take it anymore. I swear to you.
Alright, so?
My grandmother is like, her medicine alone. It's like the bill is so high. The doctors keep on telling me I have to pay this at this time so she can feel a little better. I can't take it anymore. It's like too much pressure right now on me. I swear to you.
Alright, to be honest with you, I don't know you or anything like that, but the Spirit of God asked me to bless you. So I'm going to help you.
You really would do that for me? Like,
I'm going to help you. The Lord asked me to, since you are talking to me, the Spirit just...
You don't know how I feel.
It's alright, not to worry. Not to worry yourself. It's okay.
Not anybody will do this for me. Some people, not everybody will just help somebody. They look at me, they think I'm rich and thing, but then not everybody will do this for me. I really appreciate it.
Alright, 1 second.
How old is she though?
Oh, she's only 6 months.
Oh, she's very nice.
Thank you. Alright, so to be honest with you, this money that I had here, it's actually for my insurance, but I'm going to give it to you. It's $20,000. Ensure that you do something constructive with it. You say your grandmother is in the hospital and you're frustrated and all of that. You understand, you know depression can kill you. So no need to be depressed. If at any point in time you feel like, alright, so my store, I have a store, it's called Genuine Trend. Right, it's right up the road. If at any point in time you feel depressed or anything like that, you can just come and see me. All right, I may be able to give you a word of advice or anything like that. And I know that it's really hard in times like these.
Yeah, because the corona is really taking a toll on me a lot.
Right. So
God bless you though. God bless you though. I
yeah,
really
so
appreciate it, for real. I really do.
So you can check me maybe Thursday or one of those days. I'm going to see if I can get a space for you in my business where I can employ you.
So you will give me a job?
I'm going to consider it, but I need to know some more about you first.
Oh, like my name and stuff like that?
Yes, and the other, like, I need to know about your background. Alright, so you can just come and see me and talk to me, so I can consider as to whether or not I will be able to give you a job.
Oh, I understand.
Alright?
I'm really grateful for this though. I really appreciate it.
Alright.
You're doing me a big favor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Alright.
I really
What's your name again?
My name is Taj.
Alright, so you say your name is Taj.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's Island Girl.
That's a business, right?
Well, my name is Island Girl. It's actually Andreen, but persons call me Island Girl.
You're a nice lady, Andreen, and God bless you, Miss Andreen.
You
have a nice baby.
Thank you.
Wow.
Her name is Aria.
Hello, Aria. Hi. I thank God bless you, ma'am.
Okay, alright.
I'll make sure first thing tomorrow morning, hospital. My grandmother needs this money. Her medication is so expensive.
Okay.
Thank you, really.
You're welcome. And take care now.
Bye.
Alright. Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. Yeah. Mommy, I love you. Mwah. Mommy love you. I love you. He's really a nice young man. Hi. You saw him, Mommy? You saw him? He's one of the good ones. He never go rob any store. He asked, right? Yeah. And we blessed him with something. Mommy, yeah. We blessed him. Yeah. You think Mommy should give him a job? Huh? Remember, it's your business too. Mommy, it's your business too. Mwah. Mwah, Munchkin.
No, sir. This a woman that come like a gold mine. I gonna run him jay. I may have to please Apple. Make Apple get what she want, you know. Run me and this a woman a jay. Gold mine. Just not alone, no man. Just not alone, no man. I'm going to drain your purse like you well done, I
Yes, sir. Yo.
I did know.
I got my bro.
Yeah, I'm there, you know, man.
No joke, man. I can't go with some piece of rocking ideas of the show.
Yeah, man.
No joke, man. You know, say my boy Robbie had tell me, say, you show up with something show, you know, so I know what kind of good news you have to tell me, some my bro.
You know, say, it's a shop me have a sell do.
Jaja.
Yeah, man.
You mean the one where your pal left here there?
Yeah, man. Because
You sell it?
Me a go over, so.
Between my energies,
Yeah.
you got fine?
Yeah, man.
Boom, bad.
Man,
Oh
man.
God, no joke, my
Man,
bro.
no joke,
Jaja.
bro.
No joke, man.
So.
God, no.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me happy for
Long
you.
time, man.
Yo, I'm happy for you, bro. God.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
No
man.
joke, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the selling shop.
I sell the shop, man. As I you
Sure,
know,
sure.
say, give me a little thing for it, isn't it?
Look at me. Then, Jason, what do you mean, look at me? What do you mean, my bro?
Watch out now. As I you just give me 100 and go for it.
100 grand?
Yeah.
But you selling shop for show?
Yeah, man. For true, man. No one joke
Sure,
about
sure.
it, brother.
Boom, but that would be a good business in the stuff for you, you know. Jaja. So much you sell it for, bro, God?
You know, say, as I you can't give me 100 for.
Jaja, 100 grand.
Yeah.
100 grand, no body, you know, that big man thing, you know. But when me I go find 100 grand, you know, Jaja.
Sure, no. Here I
But
go.
work on something.
Here I go and here I
Yeah.
go. You see, as I you,
Yeah.
I can just stack it out and leave it until I go over so. You do a thing.
Boy, so we just need to give the 100 grand
Yeah.
for your shop.
Yeah, brother.
Boom, boy. And you help me out, you know, that I just find 100 grand, you know. Sister. Boom, boy. Bro, God. I not tell her tarry so too long. I have to link my sisters in.
Yeah.
God no, because I can't make the deal
So
pass,
yeah,
bro.
make me go link her.
No, man, me alone the link car, man, you see?
Link her.
Me alone the link car, man. So what you know? Me I link you up, bro, God, before the day done, you see me? Me I link my sister, bro, God, and then chat to her, me see me can borrow 100 grand for her. You see, because she have a piece of food in the bro, God, you know, so. Now I link her, you know? I link you back, brother. God know you, God bless you, brother. God
Yeah,
know
man,
you.
enough respect, man.
God
I
know
must say
you.
how far I come
I
from.
mean, man, you know, I always a try, brother. I always
mean,
a
man.
try the right thing,
Right,
my
man.
bro.
Yeah,
You see?
really out in a
I
man.
mean, man, no joke,
Yes,
man.
and I tell them I know you in a man.
God know, brother, man. Yo, I say, yo, I don't want to stay too long, brother. Yo, I link you, brother, see?
Yeah, man.
I link my sister. Jaja. 100,000. And the dog say, man, help me stack out the shop. Jaja, Father God, me ask you, please. Just give me a little blessing, give me a breakthrough. Right now, my sister have to go give me a blind. Father God, me I beg you, please. Jaja, 100,000 for your shop. You know much things. Go link, sister.
Wow. After.
How much money you carry come give me make you the last song?
Big. Last week, me gave a piece of money, man.
What you call money touch? 20 grand?
It's a 20 grand of money. Hey,
Touch, you know, touch me have so much things they do. 20 grand can't cover for help my mother buy grocery. Plus, you know, say me go online school sometime, internet bill for piano and something.
me gave 20,000 last week. So
Last week, last week, a long time.
Where else can I get some? So why you
Look
do so
at
far?
you too.
Why you do so far?
Broke sex can't work, and you know that too.
I play no some always have piece of something.
Where they?
Come here. So I get this so far.
Shh, remember say money in there. I shop your car.
Yeah, control more. Control.
Lord God, how much in there? Eh?
I go in
How
and
much
check.
in there?
I go in and check.
So make sure it's your 40 this time, you know.
So when I go in and check it,
For real?
I get some.
Next week.
You just give me money here, I talk about next week.
Then next week,
Oh,
when
you
I
have to
put
tell me
me
money
down-
here, I talk about next week, I'm just
Come
so
on,
much.
shh. You know tell us some money in our own.
Go in and
Stop be nice, man. Stop be nice. I tell her I'm go to my ear. And buy lingerie, man, I tell her about I go buy
sexy
it.
one day, you show me on the phone. Yeah,
And if you tell her,
that's why I love
yeah, I remember someone me go hotel and then something there.
Oh God, oh God.
Yeah, so
Apple
next week,
baby.
next week, my all apple and juice for you. Let me see if all of my melon. You know, my mother knows you already.
You know.
You know, so you like see me, so I have to give him a little money. So you don't stress on.
You have a wallet in here, and you see me in your hand.
So you know, give me a card. Look how long you tell me, say, oh, give me a card,
That
oh, give
come
me
through,
a
that
card.
come through. Because of the
Every day
patient.
you say, but what
That
you
come through. You tell us me I did and look at me, that happen. That happen.
make sure I want one card for the use, because all of my friends
That
them.
got happen, apple.
They
Just
use-
ease in the apple. Ease in
Every
the
one of my
apple.
friends them they use
Apple,
card.
you have money in your pocket. No, just
Me
easy
want
up,
the
you
shop
have the
off a
money in
card.
your
I
pocket.
know
No,
about me
just
want
you
the
have
shop off a card and I know them where the baby.
I know what you mean, but that come through the sweet part. You
Remember?
can't wait. You can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait. I know they wait long
go.
time.
So the sweet now.
You know I love you. I love that. Oh, Jesus Christ. Touch. Yes, I'm forget. I left my little sister down on the road. Remember saying I call me a road me in there, you know, say something.
Just
Next.
little piece.
Now you that talk about patient. Lord God, remember say me a virgin still me, you know. Yeah, for you come collect your wallet.
Come on.
I mean,
You have the
baby.
money in that still.
I reload it.
You know, say you up there.
Not
You know,
sure.
say you up
You
there.
know, say you alone, my have though.
Yeah?
Alright,
Love
I'm a virgin same way.
Go to baby.
Remember, say if you come back for your wallet, you know.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, reload it, yeah?
Yeah, babes.
Alright. Idiot boy there. Look on him too. Nice girl like me. We dey try finish up nursing. You know what I want to him? He's full of fart. When I done nursing school, I don't even look on him. That broke boy that can't open up my hole. We the big old apples, wild bunch. 20 grand. The only media.
When I fight that shit, if I do. Next week, just give her so much money. My apple. This apple in her bunch. She love me.
Sister!
Yes!
Agwan!
Why not easy over there, man? Agwan, sis.
Wow.
Yeah, man, you look good now. Nice.
Come in, look at brother man, come in.
No joke, man, sister, man, you know. Good while now, me not tell you come give her one link, you know, sister. No joke, man.
Me just come here, so.
You just forward. Just sister, man, I tell her, say, why? Uncle.
Say hi.
It's a favor, me.
Say no.
favor.
I look like daddy.
Uncle.
I look like daddy.
Nice, no, sister. I tell her. No joke, man. I tell her.
Some don't understand why you look like that now. Why you here pull out and look
You know,
like
say
that?
this man pull out his already, but true. You don't get to pull out him and sit, man. But I don't pull out, I chat foolishness. So my sister, why?
You need to shave up and comb up your hair nice and fun.
True, sister, when I tell her, man.
It doesn't look like that. Police will target you when I look like that. You look like a robber.
Sister.
You look like a robber. I don't like seeing you like
I
that.
say I have one fall for the uniform from Wednesday for true.
You have one what?
Fall. Fall, yeah, fall, sister. Fall. That's what I call girl, man. But I'm not eat meat in her sister, so you know, I call them foul.
That's a height of disrespect.
No, man, sister, man. That's my way of calling
Right,
them, man,
mommy?
you know?
Ari?
Yeah.
Say no, that's rude.
Yeah.
Uncle Rudy.
Sister,
Rude.
sister, big man thing. No, go around thing. Isn't it?
Where you come with now?
Sister, no bother with that. No.
Me know where you know.
Sister, watch your man. Listen. All I have to do, me just want you to hear me out, you know. Me always try. Always. You know, sometimes you try and certain things don't work out, but watch you know, you're sweet part type now, sister Zin. My virgin Jason, you're supposed to know the G stuff which you when father are firing. I'm sitting. The reason why I come link you to him father file for him and him got firing. You understand?
Oh yeah. The other day me did pull up down there and
him father
we go
file
check
for him.
Susie and then did that tell me say him
So
a
watch
value.
your sister. The G sell me for 100,000.
Sell a what?
The shop when him have. You know the shop, the blue shop, the big shop when him have when father left him, he must sell it. He must sell me for 100,000. Sister, I can't believe that. I show him a bridge, you know the G say he must sell me for 100, you know?
Oh.
Sister, me just want you help me out this time. Please, me a beg your sister.
No, me not have it. I don't
Sister,
have it.
nobody with it, man.
I don't have it.
say
Every
can
time
do
you come to me, you tell me that you want this and you want that. It never work out.
Sister,
It's either you the other day you come to me and you say you want to do whatever.
Yeah, but
Right?
and the idea, me still.
I don't even want to talk about it because that was a waste.
Sister, and everything.
You understand? You come back to me again and you say you want money because you want to go look bored. Stop, mommy.
Sister,
Behave.
watch you now, sister. You would say my stock out the shop for money. Me pay him for his shop. I'm going to stock it out for money which I find. A big help this me I get in a sister. I never get such help in my life.
Everything where you put your hand on, it fail.
But them things
Me try with you.
But sister force me I get a look blind and I force up with you 100 grand you can tell me shop find out. And you would say
you know when me disappointed in you, me buy you a car and when you come to me and say you want whatever, me buy you the car.
but
right, and you go take it.
You
take it go do scrap metal. You take a car go do scrap metal.
Sister, how you say that? I mean, not take no car and do for no scrap metal. You then scam me and thief the car so for you. I mean, feels I see people when I put the chat up on it and I tell her say, yo, I can't believe say I did me. I post me I get look help in my life.
You tell me say then thief the car.
Yo.
But then the people they not tell me. They all show me it do a right car where your car go do in a scrap metal.
I know me not sell no car, sister. Me a tell you me not sell no car. For do them sitting there. Me know say for me I
am always trying with you.
You never can help me and it's a one time me I ask one time. So
it's not one time. You've been asking me and I've been doing it.
But whenever you give me money for your car, I must say daddy send the money come and you tell me say you give me money for car and sit. Me I ask you for you this time me ask you for your help and me not talk call.
Hello.
Hello. Yo.
Call it what you may. Call it what you may. You and I, we're not going to argue about it. Right? But daddy did send money. Daddy did not give you all of that money.
Me ask help me now. I force me I get such help, you know. Yo.
$100,000. Listen.
Me I tell you say 100,000 you would give me for sister 100,000. 100,000. Do me a beg if I even think about this sister. Me a beg a piece.
You have a food handlers?
Sister, man, get the shop because you give me a strength, you know. Sister, if I even think about it, you can't just say no to me now, sister.
I don't have it right
now. If I
now.
even think about it.
I don't have it right now.
Jaja.
I don't have it right now.
Jaja, yo, just think about it, man, sister.
There's nothing to think about. I've always been doing. And first of all, the only time I see you is when you want something. Your niece is what, 6 months old
you
now?
Know, say me not like you look at dirty boy, Ricky, man. You make him breathe and sit and stuff with you. You know, say me not come here when him there and you tell me boy, you know, say. You know, say me not come here when him there because me not like him stuff with you. Me if you can make that the dirty somebody there breathe.
Here we go again.
Yo, watch now.
What is your issue?
Watch now. I link you back. Man, sister, just think about it. I link you.
I don't have it. And even if you're going to get it, it's Ricky's money. It's his money that you're going to get. So as dirty as he is, as you say, because you have a problem, you only have a problem with him because he doesn't support you scandaling people and all of those things and taking the money and squandering it. He doesn't support that, so you're going to say he's dirty.
When me feel link you back?
Link me back for what?
Yo, this thing boy sitting on man. Yo.
I don't have it. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Don't cry after him. Do not cry after him. He only comes when he wants something. Right? Munchkin, we're going on a vacation. So where you want to go? Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Tell me. Where you want to go? You want to go to New York? Yeah. You want to go to New York or you want to go see Daddy in Canada? What you want to do? Huh? What you want to do? Tell me, mommy. Yeah. I love you. Mommy love you. Jesus God, girl.
Our girl.
I remember not say somebody listen and you just creep up on me, son.
Girl, let me call her. Come here. Come here, Ari.
Son, ask her why she do it.
Come on, auntie, come.
Ask her why she do it. It's your towel. Ask her why she do it. Don't do it again. No, do it again, girl.
So, girl, from when you see me, say me I go and get a link.
Oh, I'm there. Yeah, alright. I'll go with you.
From when me see you.
I'm glad they can't check me on something. There, I say I want to go open the shop, but today I'm a baby day. You know, just say I relax today.
Daytime, hot your food. So, girl, you want to be buy one shop?
Shop? Where? Which part of it?
Down your road. Go down your road. You don't know why you did name Jason where you used to live around here?
Jason.
In brown and in short. In Ghana.
Yes, no, said due to home, me not really. You see, because me not really know everybody and there's something there, me know. Jason, that a one short brown guy, where? Oh. Sharp brown Jason. Okay. Your father filed for him and he gonna fire him.
Yeah. He said he shop for 300,000, girl. Now lucky me lucky if you get it for 300,000. Girl, me lucky you're free. Can me do you well want to breakthrough.
What you say?
Girl, 300,000. Me give me shop for. Me glad you're free.
$300,000?
Yes,
like
girl.
100,000?
Yeah, girl. 300,000. Me glad you're free, girl. Can me do you well want little something start one business.
No, Sam. $300,000?
Yeah, girl.
Me glad I get something still where you can launch out pan and something and make one like an investment for yourself and something, cause to where your time I go right now, you have to just try see if you can make ends meet. Yeah, mommy, alright, come. Alright! Nah,
just like your mom.
Yeah, you see air conditioner show. Alright, we going in the room. My man.
She still just like you. She show off like.
No.
Show off.
So watch your sister. The G sell me for 100,000.
Sell a what?
The shop when have. You know the shop, the blue shop, the big shop when have when father left him, he must sell it. He must sell me for 100,000. Sister, I can't believe that.
I can't believe you $300,000 like you really spent in shop.
Yeah, girl.
Like,
but girl, you're not happy for me happy about the situation, girl. Can nobody not sell in shop cheap and that?
me did hear say shop are selling, but I never, me not understand. Me not still. the shop and say I'm home. Alright, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, girl.
You don't love her?
Me get the shop and me said one movie. I'm go stock up the shop and start the business.
Then that the shop they can't move.
Yeah. Me now go. Remember say but I'm not go move.
So when I plan for it,
Me not know yet, but we go something.
you have to do your thing. Try sort out yourself and something.
Girl.
Me glad for know so you get one look or something. And you can launch out on your own.
Actually, girl.
So how baby them?
They good enough.
Alright, you see what she say? She love attention, but right now we have to just got thanks for all our going on some cause right now things pick up. Cause for this week we make $583,000. And so now last week
money man, things are going for you.
me have to give God thanks. So last week we make one look of money last week to buy one look of nigga, one look of bike and send for the delivery for me. So you see, yeah, cause you see since me have somebody for the delivery now. Me never really know him. But you know me interview him and something and he alright, he just said that she want to face and me just buy him. Cause me want the help to get somebody to do delivery for me. So me just buy him the bike. Alright, munchkin. Me buy him the bike and send him name Taj. Taj and his name but short name Taj. So
Me don't know him.
me buy him the bike and so things really pick up cause him a do whole heap of delivery. Me say I'm gonna come to right
You
now.
have to give that thanks week I could have worse.
Yeah man.
Cause someone want to start off the business and no one
It go, all I have to do is when I get up a morning time, pray. Alright. Just pray. Pray. It will work out. I tell you because things are going for me right now. So I want to go bank tomorrow. Go bank in money and sit and ensure say me have my thing up and running.
I don't like that.
Right now we back in our car. Me I figure just me I take up it. Me now make it back sleep in our car. Me I go in our car.
Yeah, that's what it feel like in there, girl.
Me I go take out.
Me not just get 100,000 2 days ago.
You're not easy. Taj, you know nursing school expensive. See,
Me
they're
no
not
go
even
nursing
me
school.
ear me do.
Me no do nursing. Me a man. Me no want to do nursing.
So now that's why me that do nursing, so me can't make things better for me and you,
Me
baby.
give you 100,000.
That's
Happy. 100,000 is enough money. Between me and my brother give me a bike and I have to sell it.
And baby, you know sell it for a good cause. When I left school and I become a nurse and me go live together and have a future. What you talk about?
2 days ago. 100,000.
Then me not take you pay me school fee, baby. Baby, listen. You dey make it sound too extra. Remember, see a nursing, me dey go do, you know, RN nursing.
No, say you want to do your nursing and thing. I understand that. But
No, you
have to
not
take time with
understand.
money, man. You can't burn money, so man. You take man for idiot, man.
Look there, could they? Not even here, me not do, me not put
You
on no
burn up your money
fingernail.
too much, man. I can't give so much money and just deal with it, so. How much money I get be?
So you want me be one of them, the dunce girl
No.
down the road? So, baby, you don't want me be like one of them dunce girl down the road. You're the overreact, baby. Remember, say nursing expensive, you know? I'm going to push out everything.
I understand that.
See, you don't want me graduation on like next month right down the road. I'm going to want 100 more or double 200 because you know, so I have to pay a fee phone. I'm going to want ear for doing this something there. Are you going to benefit in the long run, you know, baby? You know, I love you too. You're going like saying I'm going to benefit in the long run. You know, see me now do not ear, me now do not ear nothing. That's why I have to love you, you know, bro. So I have to love you. You don't know how I love you, baby. If me not love you, you know, mother be a virgin same way. Baby, when I graduate, remember say after I graduate, you know, baby?
When you graduate.
Yeah, me graduate, so you make it
Hold
sound so,
on,
baby.
hold on.
That's the next month, right down the road as you blink
How much
so.
money I have to give before you graduate?
200. I'm not pressure your baby, just give me 150. Me make up a race.
I make it. I'm loving apple. Just because I'm loving apple.
Let me not love you more, baby. That's why you see me there bust up my little forehead so for do the nursing so I can take care of you. Complain so much, man. I will want to move out of the old man house, yeah, baby. I will want to move out of the old man house, yeah. Yeah, man, baby, me the hear you. Not true. Yeah, baby. I love you more.
Sexy.
You have to just wait, baby. Remember, I can't too stress out myself, you know I'm a pass the subject, them and everything.
I'm not too want to stress me then.
Let me tell you, remember, I the resit maths in about 5 times, I do maths and fail. I can't fail you again. I'm well want to out of that old man place. Yeah.
say, I same thing when they are in Japan, sis, you know.
What that?
Money man to start the business, man. Sis, yeah. Money and me link Japan man to deal with the business, man. But me I tell you, say, if you are selling shop, man, I'm going to lend you 100,000, man. I give you back in a sis. Sis, this black some money. You know me a big money. You can't leave this, man. Watching. Sis, the mother of the foolishness, man.
Me not have no money. You're up Stormy Street. Me not have no money.
Sis, me I give you back your money.
Me not have no money.
Can't believe that I say I did. God, no. Sis, just steal the thing for me now. No, you can't do it, man. Right now, face store a shot, you know. Face store a shot. You see it? You see how fear thing I go and stuff with you. Because right now, your fashion, everybody a your store, everybody a go feel fat.
Everywhere me turn back a joke me say me not have no money. Which part of that you not understand? Me not have no money.
So, son, I give you back your money.
Me have one young penny to take care of and me not have no money. Everybody a come to me if me not have it, me just do not have it.
So, I give you back and I like say me.
Where you get it back from figure me?
Me tell you, say, brother, if you would go stack a shop for me, so for you, all me have to do, just find the 100 G's.
Don't get comfortable. People can tell all kind of
things. Try. Yeah, talk about my car juke and go. My car juke me everywhere. Huh? Can't understand life.
Every minute you come to me say you do this, you do that,
nobody
and you
else
not do
asking.
nothing. Nothing now work
Nobody for
out for you, nothing now work for you. You better you go learn one trade. Go over community center over so go learn one trade or something.
And sitting. Like, me pass them the level of the truth.
You can never be too old. All people we are 40 you go over there. Go learn one trade. I walk up and down like say, look my head. You come to me and say, yo, me I say if you now come in here and go shave.
Things slow up on me. Things slow up on me. I force me over if you can make stuff for me. I feel catch up here and wash it. So,
every day they are gambling us.
And me nigga then did and sit me, I know me a gamble.
If you ever know you look.
Sister, I look here worry about, look can't help me, you know. When you want me to at up and sit, me not look no woman, you know. Woman a problem, you know, sis. I don't know, like see me, I look no woman.
Which woman are gonna look on you looking like that now? Which woman? You see no young girl, no old woman, no. First of all, the old woman, they want young somebody will look decent and nice. We're not talking about woman, because no woman now look too fierce.
Yeah, but then
and you can't maintain woman right now.
That woman want niggas were successful already. They don't want to grow with nobody. You know?
Anyway,
so
the bottom line is me not have no money. I do not have it and I just do not have it. What you say?
You know, do the thing for me.
Deal with what kind of thing? What? What is it that you want me to do? I don't understand.
I give you back. I give you back stuff with you, man. Believe me, no man. Just believe me upon the one, no man. Believe me. I don't nobody to believe in me. I alone me can't link stuff with you, sis, man. Just do me a beg you, man. Just do it for me. Just do it for me, sis. Me I beg you. Please, me I beg you. Yo, never beg saying in my life, you know, please. But just do it for me now. Yo. Good man. Yo, sis. Sis, me know you're not asleep, man. Sis. Me know you're not asleep, man. But stop the foolishness now, sis. Just do the thing for me now. Just do the thing for me. Sis, just do the thing for me. Sis, me I beg you, do me, I beg you.
What is that?
Just do the thing for me.
I don't have no money. Somebody I do it off, you know. Just go on home, just go on. Tomorrow me talk to you, just go on home. Go on home. Look on the time of night now. 5 minutes to curfew. See the 5 minutes to curfew. Go on home.
God, yo. Father God, me a beg my God, me trying. Yo, no, she can't help me. No, she can't help me. Yo, only God alone can come out my car. So right now, tell me say, oh, yo. See, I know. See, I know.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Andrea, our island girl, yeah. Rosie from previous films, yeah. Now, we want to send a message to y'all. I don't know what you get from the movie, but let me tell you this, right? You see, sometimes in life, it's best for you to help your family or your relatives, because at the end of the day, you never know who people are. You understand? You might have said, alright then, my family try to broke me down, or my family may help him so much time and ain't not gonna wear or whatever, but at the end of the day, family is family. Relative are relative, are your blood. You understand? So just keep on trying. You understand? And in the process, try to help them up just the same. You understand? Because see there, me help the nigga. I don't know who he is, but him coming to me and then one voice has said to me, say, yeah, no, say, I want a good Samaritan or whatever, and me help him. And someone, at the end of the day, it turned out that's how him rob me. You understand? He robbed me. So you see, guys, me help out the guy. He was a total stranger. You understand? And because of the goodness of my heart, me take up my money and me help him out. You understand? And at the end of the day, him turn on and him come rob me. You understand? Stress me out and all of that. So it's best if you help out your own. You understand? Because blood is blood. You understand what I say? So thanks for watching, guys, and I do hope that you enjoy it. Remember, at the end of the day, help out your own. You understand? It better if your own benefit from you than stranger, because it's never enough. You understand? So bless up yourself, people. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And please follow me on Instagram, Island Girl Actress _JA, and also go subscribe to my channel, Island Girl _Actress _JA. Right. Peace out.